Hello, physics class. I am Dr. Pratish Chakala. You can call me Dr. PJ. Welcome to physics class. This video is to show you how remote teaching works, how Canvas works, how hybrid structure of these lectures will work. Let me show you how everything works. Let's go to the Canvas first. This is what the Canvas looks like for you. It doesn't look like this for you, but pretty much same. So I have already uploaded syllabus. There are 4 sections for this course. So the common syllabus is for all the sections, and specific to our section, there is another portion of the syllabus. I recommend every one of you to read each and every point in the common syllabus and also specific to 002 section. The book that we use for this course is Survey College Physics 11th edition. It's pretty straightforward. If you click on here, it will take you to all the details that you need to access the textbook and create an account on WebAssign. And if you have any questions, please contact Jessica Senkel. She is very quick in her responses. She is very, very friendly. Talk to her. So any questions related to Cengage or WebAssign, it is good that you contact her first. And on top of that, WebAssign is integrated in the Canvas. Your homework, pre-lectures will be uploaded on WebAssign, and you will solve them and submit them on WebAssign. The course coordinator for this course is Dr. Paul Justice. He will be responsible for uploading and homeworks and pre-lectures. If you have any questions about homeworks, pre-lectures, and exams, you must contact him, not me. But you can still access WebAssign directly from Canvas. Click on this. It will take you to a new tab. Of course, you must create an account first, and the creation of account, all the details I showed you before. Follow that file, and you will see all the assignments here. The assignments are not assigned yet, but in the future you will see these assignments. So WebAssign, you can access directly from Canvas, and you can also access the textbook link from WebAssign. And virtual office hours. Office hours are held virtually. If you click here, virtual office hours, Dr. PJ, it will take you to the WebEx link. There is something called personal room where I will be available during the office hours. So if you want to talk to me, this is the best way to enter the personal room, virtual personal room. I think most of you already have WebEx UC account. It's pretty straightforward. You don't have to install anything as far as I know. But if you click here, it will take you to the new tab. Click that. It will take you to my personal room. And now the main focus of this video is how the lectures will be delivered. What is the method of lecture delivery? I'll show you all the details are in the specific syllabus to section. Let me open that. As you can see, it is hybrid method, which is live stream, synchronous classes, and also face-to-face rotation. So what does that mean? It means you can access the lectures live using Echo 360. And you can also attend the classes in person. But because of the safety protocols, there are 140 plus students enrolled in this section. It looks like this is the largest section. and only a maximum of 26 students are allowed to attend in person. So what I'm doing is I am allowing you to attend the classes based on last name alphabetical order. If your last name is A to C, these are the days that you can attend in person. August 25th, September 15th, October 6th, October 27th, November 17th. If your last name is D to H, these are the dates. Again, in-person attendance is optional. You do not need to attend in person, but attendance is required. You must attend live sessions, all live sessions. Tuesday and Thursday, 12 p.m. to 1:50 p.m. It is 1 hour 50 minutes. And the first 50 to 70 minutes of the class will be live streamed using Echo 360. I'll show you how Echo 360 works and how you can access Echo 360. Then the last 40 to 60 minutes of the class, depending on the topic, we will have active engagement, problem solving sessions. Echo 360, you cannot have group discussions, but Echo 360 is fantastic for other purposes. I use Echo 360 both in summer and during spring transition. I had the best feedback from each and every student. So I want to continue using Echo 360. I'll show you what it looks like. I think you will like it too. Then after that, the second portion of this class, because it is 1 hour 50 minutes, we will use Zoom breakout rooms. And the entire 140 students will be divided into small groups. So which means I will tell you during the class when to log into the Zoom. Once the lecture is over, I'll let you know, hey, the lecture is over. Let's everyone log into the Zoom. So you will use the Canvas. I will provide a link here. The link is not ready yet. Then you will log in there and I will break you up into smaller groups. Each group will have 5 to 6 students. Then I will provide a questions sheet, which has roughly about 10 questions. Sometimes, some classes, you might have 15 questions. Most of them, majority of them are multiple choice. Some of them will be extended response questions. So you must solve all the questions and submit on Canvas before the end of the class. Of course, you can discuss with your fellow students, your classmates, and of course, I will be there. I will be logging into each and every breakout room once in a while. TAs will be logging in. We will be helping you out. So I think most of you know how Zoom works, but maybe you might not have any idea on how breakout rooms work. So in the Zoom, you might see like 30, 40 people or 140 people in this case. What I'll do is I'll divide them into breakout rooms. So you will be looking only 5 to 6 students in that particular room. You will not have access or any communication with other rooms, but I can log in to each room. Anyway, I'll show you that at a later time. So this is how the lecture delivery works, both face-to-face and live stream. Face-to-face is optional, and if you want to attend face-to-face in person, Bronstein 300, depending on your last name, you can attend on those dates. And if there is any student who do not want to attend in person on a particular day or a date, and if you want to allow another student, if another student is interested, you can tell your friend, hey, I'm not going in person. Today is my chance. But if you want to go, you can go. So that credit you can give to another student, but only give it to one student. And I'll show you how Echo 360 works. And all you have to do is, the Echo 360 is already integrated into the Canvas. Come to Echo 360 here and click on Echo 360. This is what you will see. I have already scheduled all the classes, as you can see, August 25th, August 27th, September 1st, September 3rd. Everything is live. At this particular time, 12 p.m., you will see this particular icon turns green. That means the class will be in session. So you will click on that and you will see a multiple screens once you click on it. And I'll show you an example what it looks like. Now I cannot, because it is not live, you cannot see anything here. What I'll do is I'll show you a previous session that happened in the summer. And let me show you here. Once you click there, this is what you would see. You will see three screens, three split screens. One screen you will have my slides. One screen you can see me because I will be in the classroom in front of a blackboard. I will be writing there. And another screen, this is polling questions. These two screens, the lecture slides and the classroom, you can toggle between them. You can actually maximize one particular screen if you want, but I'm not doing that now. And this particular screen, when I put a question here, polling question, you will have the option to choose. See, as I move here, you can see a cursor changing. So you can actually select. This is the previous students. Well, if you select, majority of the times I ask you to also write your reasoning why you selected that option. So you would write the reason. I have the ability to see everybody's answer live, but you cannot see. You can see only your option and your reasoning. So this is a 3 split screen, pretty fantastic in my opinion. If you have any questions during the lecture, so you can watch me here, you can watch this if you want to focus on anything. If you have a question, what you can do is you can post a question here. And if I do not see it, because I will be lecturing, the TAs will answer your question. They will be live too. If they cannot answer, whenever I see that question, I will answer it. Not only that, you can see your friends. If they post it, you can see their responses too. See, how do you set up a solution for part B? There are 3 responses. Michael responded, and anonymously Mohammed responded, Jasmine responded to that particular question. So you can communicate with other students. You can post questions anonymously, anonymous, which means other students cannot see who posted that question, but I can see. As an instructor, if you are making any comments, even though it looks anonymous for you, it's not anonymous for me. So you can communicate with your fellow classmates using this chat option, and you can answer their question. See, there are a lot of engagement happening in the chat room in every class, a lot of engagement. So feel free to use this chat option anytime you have a question, post it there, and you can not only you can post your question, but you can also respond to other students' question. So that's why I call this 2+2 method. 2 types of engagement, one using the chat and another using this particular screen. So 2 active engagements, and 2, you cannot do anything with this screen or this screen. You can only view it. So this is how Echo 360 basically looks like. And sometimes, interestingly, what happens is whenever you log in at certain times, you might not be able to see all the 3 screens. And you will be like, oh, I can only see one screen. What happened to the other 2 screens? Well, if you come to sources here, and if you can actually select how many screens you want to see. Video 1, video 2, see here. Now I select only 1. Now I selected none. Now I can select everything again back. So if you happen to see only one screen, just play with the sources here, and you should be able to see all the 3 screens. In some classes, if I do not upload any questions, this particular screen, you might not even see it because I haven't uploaded any questions for that particular class. But it's very rare. In every class, there will be some polling questions. And as I said, you can toggle between these. So as soon as you come here, if you click on this, and I would recommend you to right-click on the Echo 360 here and open a new tab. In that case, you can see the big 3 screens. Otherwise, you would still see this on the side navigation bar. You don't want that. This is how Echo 360 works. And as I said, in the summer classes, all the classes are 1 hour. So lecture and polling questions, everything was done in 1 hour. And you cannot talk in the Echo 360, and I cannot listen whatever you want to say. It's only one side. The only way you can engage is through the through this screen and the chat. But the class is 1 hour 50 minutes. So any class that is more than 40-50 minutes is, I think you lose interest. So what I'm going to do is, depending on the topic, 40 to 60 minutes of the class would be lecture and polling questions here. And after that, the second part of the class, as I said, here I will announce, hey everyone, this is the end of this Echo 360. Let's go to Zoom. That's when you will come back here. There will be a Zoom link and you will enter Zoom and we will solve problems. The entire 40 to 60 minutes of that session will be focused completely on problem solving sessions. That will be helpful for your exam. So attendance is required for both Echo 360 and the Zoom, the entire 1 hour 50 minutes. Make sure you plan accordingly, and all the problems that we will solve in the problem solving sessions will be useful for your exam. And they're also for grade. So once you are done solving those problems along with your friends in the Zoom, you will upload all the solutions individually on Canvas again, something like this. I will create in-class problems. This is previous semesters. So there will be something called in-class problem, like week 1, week 2, and particular date. You will upload a file. You will take the image of that particular, using your phone, you'll take the image of your solution and upload that image here. And that's basically main idea or basic details how the lecture will work. So I would strongly recommend you to read both the specific syllabus and also common syllabus. And are there any things that I want to include in this video? I don't think so. Attendance is required. There will be surprise quizzes once in a while. That is for grade. Polling questions, your participation is not graded for accuracy, but you must participate. Polling questions that will happen during the Echo 360. The polling questions here. As you can see, some students will not put any explanation. They will just put a dot. They'll put a dot. So those kind of explanations, you will lose points. So you must give a reasonable explanation why you pick the choice. And that is also for grade. And in-class problems are also for grade. Attendance is for grade. So read the specific section of the syllabus. You have all the details there. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, and I will see you on Monday.